Hi, it's Kurt with LifterLMS. And in this lesson, we're going to talk about the awesome community of WordPress. WordPress, being an open source platform, has contributors all over the globe, and the community is super strong. To be a little transparent with you, I wish that I had gotten involved in the community a lot earlier in my time with WordPress, because I think I would have gotten a lot further, a lot faster if I would have had the support of other people. To give you an idea of some of the community examples, we've got a Facebook page here with Lifter LMS. We have a whole community that comes in and kind of helps discuss that product and how they use the product. And they help encourage each other to take the next step in moving forward. If you'd prefer to meet people in person at a WordCamp event, you can look up the WordCamp US, WordCamp City organization, WordCamp regional kind of meetings that they have. I volunteered at WordCamp Phoenix. I know that Will with Lifter LMS has been at WordCamp Atlanta. And of course, we go to WordCamp US, WordCamp Europe, and I think we might even be going to WordCamp Asia next year. These meetings where people get together in person are phenomenal and super educational. The next thing I'd like to bring to your attention is kind of a blended example of in-person and virtual. A WordPress meetup group can be really, really instrumental in getting you connected into the community that is WordPress. Now, one thing I would like to point out here, I have selected a page that shows me WordPress Montclair meetup, WordPress Brooklyn meetup. Something I wanted to point out was, in order to have an official WordPress meetup group on the meetup website, you have to meet certain criteria. And if you are new to the WordPress environment, I would encourage you to make sure that you look to attend WordPress meetups that meet this format. Because if they meet this format, that means that they're official meetup groups. And that's something I want to encourage you to stay with when you get started in the community aspect of things. The other thing to think about from an online perspective is tutorials. So YouTube is full of tutorials. Just like we have videos in this course that you're taking now, there are sources all over YouTube that are horribly passionate about WordPress and building awesome projects on WordPress. So I would encourage you, if you've got a project when you're working on something specific, don't hesitate to look up that community on Facebook, on Meetup, in YouTube, and get as much information as you can to give yourself a higher comfort level in building out your project. I'll see you in the next lesson.